Welcome to Excel Rush. Today we will see a setting in Google Sheets that you can adjust to ensure that the shortcuts that you are used to while using Excel will also get enabled while using Google Sheets. So generally somebody who's very used to Excel typically does not end up using their mouse and more of the keyboard, and you're so used to those shortcuts that when you come to Google Sheets you get a little lost. Let's take an example. Let's say you want to delete this city column. So typically you do a control space and then control minus or command minus if you're on the Mac to delete the column. But that typically does a zoom out instead of deleting the column. And a control plus or command plus would also not insert a column, it would end up doing a zoom in. How do you change this? So you can go to help, go to keyboard shortcuts, and here you see something called as enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts. Now before I enable this, let's see what it's going to really do. So if I scroll down, you can see one shortcut is grayed out here. The moment I will enable this, this will also start working. So for delete rows columns, I can then use command minus or control minus depending on whether I'm on the Mac or the Windows. And when I scroll down, you can also see insert new sheet, insert columns, rows. When I scroll down further, there are many more. Control 1 for format menu. And scroll down further, you see bold, italics, etc. The moment I enable this, it starts working. So let's take an example again. I wanted to delete the column, hit control space, and now I'm doing a control minus or command minus, and boom, it worked. If I want to insert the column, I'm going to do a command shift plus or control shift equal to, and it just worked, right? So that's how you can enable your Excel shortcuts in Google Sheets as well. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.